Do you want to win the weight loss battle once and for all? Hi, I'm Tammy Becker from Tammy Becker Coaching. I'm a health and nutrition fitness coach, and I am here to encourage and help all of you succeed at your personal weight loss, nutrition, and mindfulness goals. Today we're in our final episode of the breakdown of 2B Mindset Nutritional Program and Review. So if you've missed the other 4 episodes, try to go back and watch those before this one. Today we're going to learn all about what is actually comes with your 2B Mindset program. So let's get started. Don't forget to hit my subscribe button and hit the bell so that you can constantly get my updates, my new program reviews, and freebies that come out. My videos will always come out on Tuesdays. Occasionally I'll throw Friday one in there for you. So let's get started on what comes with the 2B Mindset Nutritional Program. All right. First of all, with the program that we've been going over for the past month, you are going to get permanent streaming of all the videos. Permanent. Not a year, not 3 months, not 5 years. Permanent streaming access and updates to all the videos in the 2B Mindset program. For your initial cost, no other cost will ever be added, but you get that for permanently. What kind of videos are you going to get? You are going to get 21 short videos to guide you through anything from eating out, going to a party, how to stay and maintain, what are FFCs, how to plate it, water first, veggies more. 21 wonderful videos by the creator, Alana, and she will guide you through every single one of them, and she is a sweetheart. I went through her coach test group, and you will love her to pieces. You will enjoy, because she was one that needed, the reason why she developed the program is because she was always an overweight child and was always going to camps for people that had a little extra weight for a child. So you will love her to pieces. The other thing, let's see. Then you're also going to get 5 videos addressing common challenges that you face in your everyday life that will help you get through those challenges and be successful and maintain or succeed or get to your weight loss goals during the program. You're also going to get 15 recipe videos. And let me tell you, the recipes are really, really good. So you're going to enjoy those. And remember, all of these videos, permanent access. You are also going to get the Getting Started guide, and that's Alana on there, full of all the information you are going to need to get started with the 2B Mindset program. You are going to get the go-to guide, and this is something that I carry around with me in my purse, because anything that you're going to want to know about the program that you might have forgot, or you need a refresh, or you just need to look it up real quick because you're out eating, then this is going to be your go-to guide, and you're going to want to keep it with you. Also, you're going to get the 2B Mindset recipe books, loaded, chocked full of fabulous recipes. One of my favorites in here is the Southwestern Spaghetti Squash Black Bean Bowl. And let's see. That's it right there. And it is yummy, yummy, yummy. All the recipes in this book, I haven't had one yet that I have disliked. So that's going to come with the program as well. You're going to get the 90-day tracker journal. I've kind of gone through this with you in a previous episode. The special To Be Mindset 30-ounce water bottle with a straw, and I usually keep a Caribbean clip on here, clip it to whatever I have going out in the day so that I always have my water with me. And access to the Beachbody app and nutrition program for life. And the app is a free tool as well. So all of these things, plus you're going to get me as a coach. My coaching will be free. You will be able to take on my success group for the To Be Mindset, where I will go through the group with you, the 30 days group, a success group, and you can go through with other success group members together, learning about the To Be Mindset program, all about itself. From there, you can be added to my VIP group to continue to learn more each and every day. So that's it for the final episode of the To Be Mindset, breaking down the To Be Mindset. And for a recap, what comes in your To Be Mindset? You get the permanent streaming, 21 short videos, 5 videos addressing common challenges, 15 recipe videos, the Get Started Guide, Go To Guide, the To Be Mindset recipe book, 90-day journal tracker, the special 30-ounce water bottle, and access to the Beachbody nutrition and app. So in the description below, I have put a link where you can actually sign up and order for the To Be Mindset. For the month of August 2018, the To Be Mindset right now there's $20 off on the To Be Mindset. It's on sale. So you'll be able to get that at a discounted rate, and just click on the link. It'll take you right to where you can order that program and get started today. Once you order that, I'll get notified, and then I can add you to the success group immediately. So I look forward to working with you. I would love to be your coach if you don't have one already. I hope that you've enjoyed this series, breaking down the To Be Mindset. Remember, if you have questions, put them in the comment. I will still answer them for you. Be glad to do that. We'll be glad to answer your questions on any of the other programs available. And make sure to look at the descriptions for any freebies that I might get. Hit my subscribe button and the bell. And I hope you join me again. Thank you for watching and tuning in. This is Tammy Becker from Tammy Becker Coaching. God bless. See you next time.